and welcome to the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Monday Morning Minute. Good morning and welcome to today's Monday Morning Minute. Before you see Dr. Jared Shatkin cement his beautiful upper roundhouse on a patient where he placed 8 mono implants about 2 months ago, I wanted to briefly go over some of our upcoming training courses. In just about a week and a half, we're going to be in Branson, Missouri for our International Academy of Mini Dental Implants on August 7th and 8th. It is not too late to sign up and reserve your spot, so if you have it in your schedule, please give us a call. After Branson, we're going to be back here in Buffalo on September 18th and 19th for an intro course. Then we'll be down in Florida in Palm Beach Gardens at the PGA National Resort, and that's on October 2nd and 3rd. We are super excited for that event as well. To wrap up the year, we're going to be back in Buffalo in November for our 3-day advanced course with Dr. Gordon Christensen. That course is almost sold out, so please give us a call and reserve your seat for the November advanced course. Now here's Dr. Jared Shatkin cementing his beautiful final restoration on a patient where he placed 8 mono implants. And if you missed the Monday Morning Minute where he placed the implants, please click down below where you can watch part 1. Thank you. We'll see you next week.
I'm Dr. Jared Shatkin. Welcome to this Monday Morning Minute. So this is a case I showed on the Monday Morning Minute about 2 months ago. And let's see how he healed up beautifully with his implants. Placed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 mono implants. We took some bottom teeth out and made them a partial that was temporary. And then I prepped some lower teeth here. And I'm going to snap that new partial in. And now I'm going to show you guys the final here. Look at how nice that looks. And we scanned this whole thing, and our lab did a really good job. And you'll see there's really not any adjustments that are going to be made here. You're just going to bite down here, bite, and it's a perfect outcome. All right. Now I'll cement it. Okay. Bite down for me.
Nice and tight.
Yep, for about 5 minutes here. Okay. How's it feel when you bite? Feels good? Mm-hmm. Bite down for me. Bite in the back here, like you were before. Yeah, there you go. Now that they're all in.
Yeah, wow. Nice job, man.
Thank you. I'm really happy how everything turned out, and
Yeah.
I think now that that final is in, that irritation is going to come down too.
I'm glad you had patience too. I mean, it wasn't just me. I
Yeah,
can imagine it, it's a lot of stress on you.
Yeah, you did a wonderful job, and you took care of everything. And we put 8 mono implants in, and we cemented an upper roundhouse, and it turned out perfect. So thank you for watching the Monday Morning Minute.